Your phone is far more powerful than most people realize. Many believe serious ethical hacking demands expensive laptops, specialized hardware, and heavy equipment. The reality is surprisingly different. With the right open source GitHub tools, an Android phone can become a portable ethical hacking workstation capable of handling real learning and testing tasks. Throughout this video, you'll discover network reconnaissance, traffic analysis, HTTP inspection, wireless assessment, and penetration testing frameworks that dramatically expand what your Android device can accomplish. These 7 legitimate GitHub tools prove mobile ethical hacking is far more capable than many people expect. Before exploring any tool, remember that responsible ethical hacking always begins with authorization. Every demonstration in this video exists strictly for education and authorized testing. Only perform these activities on systems, devices, or networks that you personally own or have explicit permission to assess. The foundation of this entire setup is Termux. Think of it as a Linux environment living inside your Android phone. It allows you to install many widely used penetration testing and development tools directly onto your device without requiring root access. Its Linux package management system supports numerous command line utilities commonly used during ethical hacking workflows. Because of this flexibility, Termux serves as a starting point for most mobile hacking environments. Install it from the recommended source, complete the basic package update process, and begin building your toolkit. Keep in mind that non-rooted devices have limitations, especially for advanced wireless features requiring elevated privileges. Next comes Kali NetHunter, Offensive Security's official Android penetration testing platform. Rather than offering only a Linux environment, NetHunter adds specialized integrations designed specifically for mobile ethical hacking. It includes the Kali Linux environment, a mobile penetration testing interface, USB HID capabilities, wireless assessment features, Mana Toolkit support, bad USB functionality, and integrated Metasploit access. Supported rooted devices unlock significantly more advanced features and broader hardware interaction. Device compatibility resources help determine supported models, making NetHunter an excellent portable platform for both students and professionals seeking practical testing capabilities. PCAPdroid gives you the ability to observe network traffic in real time. This open source application captures and analyzes traffic without requiring root access. Captured packets can be inspected, filtered, exported, and examined with additional analysis tools. Packet visibility is essential during authorized application research because it reveals network behavior, encrypted communication, API activity, and data transmission patterns. Beyond research, PCAPdroid also includes firewall functionality, making it useful for understanding and managing application communication during everyday device usage. Wireless reconnaissance starts before active testing, and Wi-Fi Analyzer helps build that understanding. This open source tool identifies nearby wireless networks, measures signal strength, displays channel usage, and reveals visible security configurations. Gathering this information supports the reconnaissance phase of authorized wireless assessments by helping you understand the surrounding wireless environment before performing any testing. Whether you're an ethical hacker or a network administrator, this visibility makes planning and troubleshooting much more effective. HTTP Toolkit provides a professional approach to inspecting mobile application communication. Android traffic can be routed through the toolkit for detailed HTTP and HTTPS inspection. This reveals requests, responses, headers, authentication tokens, endpoints, and overall application communication. Its desktop companion application enables even deeper traffic analysis for authorized testing workflows. On rooted devices, assistance with SSL certificate pinning is available for supported testing scenarios, making the toolkit especially valuable during mobile application assessments. cSploit remains one of Android's most capable network security suites. With built-in network discovery and Metasploit integration, it supports multiple stages of authorized penetration testing engagements. Because these capabilities can significantly affect target environments, responsible use is absolutely essential. The platform is intended for professionals and students working inside authorized lab environments. Rooted devices unlock full functionality, while the GitHub documentation explains every available module in detail. Finally, Drozer focuses entirely on Android application testing. Using its Android agent and desktop console workflow, it examines activities, content providers, broadcast receivers, and services. It helps identify insecure exported components and other documented Android application issues. Although setup is more advanced, the official documentation provides comprehensive guidance. Together, these GitHub tools transform an Android phone into a remarkably capable portable ethical hacking lab for authorized research. Tell us which tools you already use and which GitHub projects deserve attention next.